Hi there, here's 3 super quick tricks for working with Excel. I want to expand all of these columns out so I can see the text clearly in them. So rather than double clicking each column to make them all wider one by one, I'm going to use the Select All button. So it's a little triangle top left of the screen which selects everything in the worksheet. And then if I double click between the A and the B, it'll perform the same action on all of those columns. So if I wanted them all to be a particular width, let's say about 15, you can see they all take on that same formatting. The second one is simply using the Control key with the wheel on the mouse. When you wheel in the mouse, you can see it zooming right in for you. And I'm going to use Control Home to get back to cell A1. So that wheel on the mouse will zoom in or zoom out. And Control Home gets you to the top, and Control End, END, takes you to the last cell in a worksheet. And the third little trick is double clicking the word Home. When you double click the word Home, or in fact any of the tab or ribbon names, it minimizes the ribbon. And it's great for a laptop where you might need a bit more screen space. When you double click it again, it pins it back down. So if your ribbon's gone missing, just double click it in order to pin it back into place. So 3 quick tips with Excel. Thanks for watching.